Hello and welcome. Today, we're going to talk about fats, one of the 3 essential macronutrients that our body needs in order to function properly. Fats are a vital source of energy and help us absorb fat-soluble vitamins A, D, E, and K. They are also important in insulating our bodies and protecting our organs. Fats are classified into 2 types, saturated and unsaturated. Saturated fats, often found in animal products such as meat and dairy, are solid at room temperature. Unsaturated fats, found in plant-based oils such as olive oil and nuts, are liquid at room temperature. Both types are necessary for our bodies to function, but consuming them in moderation is important. In addition, we should limit another type of fat in our diet, trans fat. It's created when hydrogen is added to vegetable oils to make them more stable, often found in processed foods like biscuits and cakes. Trans fats have been linked to higher cholesterol levels and an increased risk of heart disease. To maintain a healthy balance, we should aim for a diet that includes a variety of fats, with an emphasis on monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats, including omega-3 fatty acids. These types of fats have been shown to help lower the risk of heart disease and other chronic conditions. According to the American Heart Association, adults should limit their intake of saturated fat to less than 5 to 6% of their total daily calories. In contrast, trans fat should be avoided altogether. It's also important to remember that eating too much fat of any kind can lead to weight gain and other health issues. So, don't be afraid of fats. Including healthy fats in our diet can have numerous health benefits, from promoting heart health to keeping our skin and hair healthy. Remember to consume them in moderation and choose healthier options like nuts, seeds, avocados, and olive oil. Thank you for tuning in.